How to use Etsy pattern website feature. To use the Etsy pattern website feature, you need an active Etsy shop. So first of all, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the Etsy Shop Manager website, then proceed to log into your account. Find the option for pattern, which is often under the sales channel, or you can access it by simply clicking your shop and try pattern option. Then click create your own website to start your 30-day free trial. And you simply have to now pick a visual theme that fits your brand, and also change the fonts, background colors, button styles, and layouts using the live website editor. Then add custom pages like an about page, contact page, or blog, and proceed to manage the inventory and listings, and also set up your domain name. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.